Yeah, and that's scary right there. That's a roller.
You're doing it?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway on this truck.
No shit. What's the raffle tickets going for?
25 for the shirts. Well, it's gonna.
Oh, it's depending on what.
I'm a YouTuber, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I really don't. I just got an Instagram, but like
yeah, just
I don't want to do it all the way.
You say you want to trade or what?
Yeah, we'll trade.
You trade for real?
For real.
You ain't bullshit. What year is the truck?
2015. Paid for it.
Nah, I can't. This is literally one of my dream trucks, and sucks to give it away, but one day I'll get back to getting another one. But
you don't mind me asking what's the reason? Hard times or what?
Hard times, yeah. Just want to increase my business and I want to pick it up. But right now, just you
give
got
me
a
a number.
phone?
I'll buy some shirts or whatever.
Go on YouTube, cause that's where it is.
You gotta show me
later on. Like
I really don't know how to make it.
You really want this truck, huh?
Bro,
you like it?
I like old school look.
Yeah, just like when it comes out, when I finally announce that it's gonna come out, then that's when everybody can start getting into the giveaway.
Nice to meet you,
nice, thank you very much. You made my day, man.
Hey,
you're not the only one today.
But yeah. I'm really more into this. I'd rather have one of these before I get one of those. This is the truck that everybody wants because for the simple fact, it's on paper it says short black. It's not a long boat.
Hell yeah. Believe it or not, that's not the only guy that gave me the thumbs up. Coming over here, there was like maybe 5 or 6 people just giving me a thumbs up, just loving the truck. So I'm taking the truck to the setup and we're gonna be dropping it from the front and the back. We're gonna do C-notch. Yeah, setup is literally right over there. So we're gonna go right now, guys, and have fun with this truck. Let's see what it looks like when it's dropped more. I love it the way it looks like, but I might love it the other way, dropping it more. I might love that too. So here we go. Guys, we are here at the setup. They have nothing but old school classics. I love this shop right now. Looking around, check this out. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright guys, so we're waiting for the main guy to come over here to help us out with the C-notch. Right now we're going to be focusing on the front, getting the springs and spindles in on the front, dropping it to a forge, and we're going to be talking more about the back. So I don't think we might get the back done today, but let's hope in. You need a water bottle everywhere you go now with this truck.
Don't have AC?
No AC. I gotta fix that part too. The AC right now is the windows rolling down. Hopefully we can get it done by today, but who knows? There's always gonna be some problems along the way, but ¿qué hacemos ahorita?
Levantarla para quitarle toda la suspensión de enfrente, sacar los springs y los spindles.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue. That's what she say. She look good. She a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team.
Taking off the spindle so I can take off the spring.
For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stack. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Niggas cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it fast forward, but I asked for it.
The new aftermarket parts for the front. As much as I really want to help them out and learn, my bag is really killing me. Look at that. I still have to go to 610 wheels and tires to get the wheel a little bit more pushed out so we can put the caps on there. We're gonna do bed liner. I know we're gonna try to do some bed liner. More stuff coming on the way, but for the meantime, when there's nothing to do, I just like putting some car vlogs out there, like old school or new school, supercharged, some turbo cars out there, and keep making the channel a little bit more fun and something for you guys to watch until, you know, I got more truck content coming up. But today's truck content. I'm very excited to do this giveaway. My first giveaway is gonna hurt when I give it away, but what I really want to do is just progress in my business channel and just keep going. But you know, I have to make some sacrifices. Just for the meantime. One day I'll build one just like her again, or I don't know. But I will get a C10 again in the future. So yeah, guys, like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of the legacy, and we'll just keep continuing on the video. Shout out to Just the Setup, cause they got me.
To the tabloid, fuck how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. But like nobody could.
Yeah.
El bump de atrás para que no esté pegando.
Pienso que a lo mejor dejo el bump stop ahí porque no quiero que le pegue tan recio atrás, ¿no? Si no tenemos el C-notch. I didn't know about this, but if you're gonna do a flip kit, if you're gonna do a drop kit on a C10, if you have a C10, you have to literally cut this bump stop off so you can start maneuvering the new parts in there. That's something I didn't know, which is surprising to me, but they know what they're doing. So they're gonna be cutting this bump stop off. You ready? Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have to put it together first though.
What do you mean put it together?
I have to take this window apart and put this one together.
Alright guys, well it's already set up, put everything together, and yeah, that's the setup. I get it now, that's the setup right there. Springs, and then the spindle. Damn, it's hot in here. Props to everybody that's working here, because man, it's hot. I'm not even moving my body and I'm sweating. Almost done. How long you been doing this for?
I think like around 4 years already.
Alright guys, she is done. Finally went to see what she looks like when she dropped. Let's see if there's a difference or not. Pretty excited right now actually. Oh. Whoa, she dropped to the ground, guys. And she really did drop to the ground. Wow. We don't have time to do this, the C-notch in the back, but for the meantime, we're gonna take the bump stops off. You know, it might hit or not, but I really wanna see what this truck looks like from the back. And I mean, tomorrow we're gonna bring her back and get her done. So I'm gonna be watching the bumps or anything. I'm just doing this because I want you guys to see what it looks like. Tomorrow we'll focus on putting the C-notch.
Levantarla para tumbarle los bumps.
Well, I just want the truck to look level, but the front looks awesome. Check this out. Wow, there's no gap right there. Shout out to everybody here because they're really working really hard just to get this truck up and ready today.
No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on the wave, but everything I say turn into the real thing. Tell them run it up, you know it ain't a thing. We made it out of Psalms with the words on the page. Everything is straight. I've been on the wave, but everything I'm saying turn into the real thing.
So what is going on there? Taking off the rivets. Moment of truth on the back. Let's see if it really does drop. I'm gonna take off the jack stands in the bottom. Wow, guys. Damn, that's scary. That's really scary. Whew, let's do this. Oh, damn, this thing is sexy. Damn. Oh, you heard that? Oh, you heard that? Popping on one foot. Yeah, it looks good. Damn, I was not thinking it was gonna drop that much. Wow. Guys, now I'm scared though. I'm pretty scared though. It looks like if I hit something, this thing is gonna hit the rim. Ah, man. And I need the C-notch. Man, I should have waited. But I do like the way it looks. I think I have to roll it or something. It looks like it might hit. Hey, can you jump on it real quick on the top? Oh, that's scary. Let me see the other side. I just literally like right on. Man, that's so scary.
When I got flex, it's gonna rub probably.
Yeah.
It's like
That's scary.
It's on there. And the little flex you get, you're probably gonna catch that.
You think we should roll it?
I mean, I don't know if it's. You could probably trim it a little bit. Maybe like half an inch, like a quarter of an inch or 3/8 of an inch.
Yeah, let's do that because I don't want the rim to f up.
That's if you have more room on that side. They usually have more room on one side than the other.
Yeah, I think it's a spacer, but I want the wheel to come out a little bit, you know? I knew there was gonna be something. I was just being positive, but it's gonna be sorted out, guys. Dude, I didn't want to cut it, but if it saves the wheel, I think it's beneficial to do the right way and not have any problems along the way. Plus, these wheels are really awesome. A lot of people probably say that I messed up with the wheel choice that I chose from the beginning, but I am very proud of what wheels I chose because I did see it on a C10 and it did look good. It wasn't my taste. Every time I looked at the truck, you couldn't really see the truck. You just saw the rims, and I wanted this truck to look like you can see the rims and the truck, not just focus on the rims. Yeah, guys, we're gonna be cutting a little bit on the back. Yeah, we're just getting like maybe 2 inches, just like 2 inches. It really sucks that I have to do this, but it's already happening now and I don't want to damage the wheels. And I had to put the spacer because it was hitting the back right here in the tubs. If it ain't cut, it ain't custom, right? Well, honestly, this truck is looking clean. I don't want to give her away now, I just have to clean her. I didn't really expect it to get that low from the back. There was some cutting involved, but there's a lot of people back there that usually cut, like put some bigger tubs, so just that little inch wasn't really that big of a difference. Thank you very much, thank you very much. Thank you for just being here. Shout out to the setup for hooking it up. They're helping me out a lot. I don't know how much I can thank them, just giving them a shout out and later on inviting them to food or something like that. So we're gonna roll her out, we're gonna go to the alignment shop, get her aligned and call it. Thank you very much. You got cut? You got good? Damn, all right guys. Alright man, I'll see you next time. Back so I can do the C-notch on the back so we can do it the right way. But today we're just seeing what it looks like, how it rides, and you know, just all in all, this is really cool, you know. Shit, I always wanted this truck to get lower. Drop low to the terrain. Low light. Tomorrow, see you tomorrow, the setup. So I'm gonna do the alignment at Alex's shop. Honestly, I don't feel a difference. It feels so good riding in this thing. Like C10, literally, it doesn't even do that anymore. It just feels like it's gliding. It feels so good. Knowing Houston's streets nowadays, you can tell right now, and it's just smooth. It's not bumping or nothing. It's pretty cool. Driving a C10 is a whole different feeling. I love this car.